top 10 animals that could kill a lion. When the king meets real power, across the open plains of Africa, one predator has become a symbol of dominance. The mane, the roar, the authority of presence. The lion is often called king of the jungle, though it actually lives in grasslands and savannas. As apex predators, lions play a vital ecological role, regulating herbivore populations and maintaining balance in their ecosystems. But dominance in nature is never absolute. Even a powerful male lion weighing up to 250 kilograms operates within biological limits. Strength, claws, teeth, and cooperative hunting strategies give lions a formidable advantage. In the wild, outcomes depend on context, age, size, group numbers, terrain, and surprise. Male lions defend territory. They are built for confrontation. Powerful forelimbs, thick neck muscles, retractable claws, and strong jaws capable of crushing bone. However, lions are not invincible. They can be injured by prey. Broken teeth, damaged limbs, or internal injuries may shorten their lifespan. The first animal on our list is one that lives alongside lions across much of Africa and is widely respected for its strength and resilience. 10. The African elephant. The African elephant is the largest land animal on Earth. With massive tusks, powerful trunk muscles, and extraordinary size, elephants rarely fear lions. However, lions may attempt to hunt calves under specific conditions, typically at night and in coordinated group efforts. But if a bull elephant or protective herd member charges, the consequences can be severe. There are documented cases of elephants trampling predators, including lions, when defending themselves or their young. Lions instinctively avoid full-grown elephants whenever possible. The risk is simply too high. Power in nature is not just about aggression, it is about scale. 9. The rhinoceros. The white rhinoceros and black rhinoceros are among Africa's most formidable herbivores. Weighing up to 2,300 kilograms, rhinos possess thick skin and a powerful horn capable of delivering devastating force. Lions occasionally target young or vulnerable rhinos, particularly if the rhino is isolated. However, adult rhinos are extremely dangerous opponents. Field observations show that rhinos can charge at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour. A direct impact from a charging rhino has enough force to cause fatal trauma to a lion. Lions typically assess risk carefully. In most cases, they avoid adult rhinos entirely. In the savannah, caution is often the difference between life and death. 8. The African buffalo. Perhaps no animal on this list has a more documented history of lethal encounters with lions than the African buffalo. Often called Black Death by hunters due to its defensive strength, the African buffalo weighs up to 900 kilograms and possesses thick, curved horns that form a solid shield across the forehead. Unlike elephants and rhinos, buffalo are frequently hunted by lions. However, hunts are dangerous and often unsuccessful. Buffalo herds have been documented turning against lions, forming defensive circles around calves, and charging as a group. A well-placed horn thrust can cause fatal injury. Wildlife researchers have recorded instances of buffalo killing lions during failed hunts. Here, the predator-prey dynamic is not one-sided. It is a calculated risk, and sometimes, the risk is too great. What these first three animals reveal is simple. A lion's dominance depends on context. Size, strength, numbers, and defensive behavior all influence outcomes. No animal rules unchallenged across every scenario. Nature does not crown permanent kings. It operates on balance. Power is relative. Survival is situational. Lions' deadliest rivals, animals that can kill the king. Lions reign supreme, but are they truly unchallenged? The food chain is a complex web, not a simple hierarchy. Some rivals possess unique weapons and strategies. These are not staged battles, but ecological reality. For lions, direct confrontations can lead to fatal outcomes. We explore predators and rivals capable of killing a lion. Not fantasy, not staged battles, but ecological reality. The Nile crocodile, a powerful aquatic predator. Males can exceed 5 meters and weigh over 700 kilograms. Its bite force ranks among the strongest recorded. Lions and crocodiles share river access, but the advantage shifts dramatically near the water. Crocodiles are ambush predators. A sudden lunge can pull prey into deep water. Documented cases show crocodiles killing lions. On land, lions have the advantage. Control depends on the environment. The leopard, smaller but extraordinarily agile. In direct confrontation, a lion typically dominates. But rare circumstances can change the outcome. Surprise attacks or clashes with young or weakened lions. Leopards rely on stealth and vertical escape. They often drag prey into trees to protect it. While not a typical threat to a prime adult lion, a leopard is not defenseless. Nature operates on probability, not certainty. The brown bear, a heavyweight contender outside Africa. Historically, lions and bears shared some territories. Large male brown bears can significantly outweigh male lions. Bears possess powerful forelimbs and thick fat layers. In a direct encounter, a brown bear could potentially kill a lion. This is grounded in comparative zoology and body mass data. Size matters in nature. A hypothetical but biologically grounded comparison. Ecological comparisons show potential strength advantages. The tiger, the largest species of big cat. Unlike lions, tigers are solitary hunters. They rely on ambush tactics, immense forelimb strength, and powerful bites. Historical records suggest possible range overlap centuries ago. Tigers often display greater average body mass than lions. Biologists note heavier builds and longer bodies. Zoological evidence suggests a large adult tiger could potentially kill a lion. Context matters: size, age, health, and environment. There is no universal winner in nature, only variables. Power is contextual. What this chapter reveals is not a dethroning of the lion. It reveals a truth about ecosystems. Apex predators coexist. Territory overlaps. Resources compete. Survival is negotiated through avoidance as much as confrontation. Dominance is geographical. Power is contextual. Lions avoid crocodiles in deep water. Leopards avoid lions on open ground. Tigers and bears dominate in their own territories. Some animals survive not by chasing, but by standing their ground. Large herbivores possess size, weaponry, and documented history to injure lions. The hippopotamus, often perceived as passive, but highly territorial. Males can weigh over 1,500 kilograms. Their jaws can deliver enormous force. Adult hippos are rarely targeted due to the danger. A single bite or collision from an adult hippo can cause fatal trauma. Their long legs are powerful defensive weapons. Broken jaws and fatal head injuries have occurred. The spotted hyena, overwhelming through group conflict. Individually, a lion dominates a single hyena. But large clans can overwhelm isolated lions. Beyond Africa, historical rivals and extreme contenders of the lion. Lions once roamed across continents, not just Africa. habitat loss has drastically reduced populations. We explore animals that can defeat a lion, scientifically. These are extreme contenders, not myths. Examining the polar bear, size and strength. Weighing over 450 to 700 kilograms. Built for power, forelimbs, jaws, and insulation. Biological advantage, mass and strength. Context defines the outcome, ice versus savanna. The American bison, North America's largest land mammal. Weighing over 900 kilograms, built for force. Defensive behavior similar to African buffalo. A charging bison's impact could be fatal. Prehistoric lions shared territory with these giants. Large herbivores are not passive prey. Mass, horns, and herd coordination are key defenses. Hunting large prey carries substantial risk. Biology favors size, context defines outcome. The saltwater crocodile, the strongest bite on Earth. Males exceed 6 meters and weigh over 1,000 kilograms. Historically, Asiatic lions lived where crocodilians were present. An ambush predator's advantage lies in water. The bite force alone is biomechanically sufficient. Environment determines interaction. In deep water, crocodiles control the battlefield. On land, lions are agile and cautious. Context dictates survival. Reassessing the king, 10 animals capable of defeating a lion. Each case is grounded in science. A lion is powerful, but not invincible. No apex predator rules every terrain. Dominance is local, strength is contextual. Understanding these comparisons reveals deeper truths. Nature does not crown permanent rulers. Lions are powerful, but operate within limits. Each animal excels in its own domain. Survival, not dethroning, is the goal. The phrase, "king of the jungle," is cultural, not scientific. Lions avoid unnecessary risk. Survival favors caution. Coexistence, not constant combat. Everyday rhythms maintain ecosystem stability. Real encounters are shaped by ecology, not spectacle. Apex predators are regulators of balance. Lions help control herbivore populations. Each species influences its environment. Scientific research confirms their vital role. The lion's role is vital, but part of a network. Not above it all, but integral to it. Biology produces specialized adaptations. Speed, horns, armor, bite force, coordination. An elephant dominates by size, a crocodile by environment. A tiger dominates through stealth, a lion through teamwork. Strength depends on context, terrain, age, health, group size, timing. Real encounters are shaped by ecology, not spectacle. Modern conservation efforts focus on habitat preservation. Understanding roles shifts conversation from dominance to protection. The question is how we preserve the balance. Nature recognizes adaptation, not titles. No species is invincible, every species has limits. Survival belongs to those best suited to their environment. The real king is balance itself.
Enjoyed this video? Hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content just like this. Doma's coming next.